So today we will see something called time impact analysis, which we can able to do in our Primavera P6. So first of all, we should know what it means, time impact analysis. So normally in any project we will be having certain delays. So we are going to study this delay and how the delay going to impact our whole project we are going to study. So based on the delays or change orders that we are going to have additional days for our project activities. So we are going to study the extent of the impact created by the delays for the overall project timeline. So this is called time impact analysis. We will compare the dates. So without delay, what are all the dates, and with delay, what are all the dates, and difference between the dates we will be considering as delay in the project timeline. So before that, we should know what are all the delays we have. So we can able to say we have two kinds of delay. One is excusable and another is non-excusable. And again, in excusable we can able to split into two types, compensable and non-compensable, which means excusable cum compensable means we can able to allow both time and cost, but excusable non-compensable means we can able to allow only the time and not cost. And then not excusable kind of delay, which means we are not going to allow both time and cost going to be affected in the whole project. So this is what the concept and the type of delays in any project. So we will see how we are going to do in Primavera P6 now. Then we will be understanding like what actually the things. So in this Primavera P6, like any of the EPS node or the desired EPS node, whatever you want, you can just select and then you can able to create the project. So where that you are going to study the time impact analysis. So I just created P02 and then the name of the project, time impact analysis. And then I am going to consider this Excel sheet. So if you want, you can able to take the snapshot of it. So the first 5, so these activities I am just going to have in that project. So we also have the predecessor and the duration. So based on that we can able to like create the critical path on the network diagram. So as we know already like how to do all these things, so I'm not going to waste my time. I'm just going to the activity directly. So here we can able to see the activities and the duration, and we can able to see the relationships also. So based on the Excel sheet, what we have here, I also have in the Primavera. So we can able to see the critical path and then one non-critical activity as well. So non-critical activity will be having float. We can able to check the float 10 days. Okay, now what I did was like I'm just going back to the same projects and then EPS. So what I did was just right click copy and then right click paste. So once you copy only, you can able to see the paste option. So like that I just pasted. So it will be like a P021, the same project name. So normally the project ID will be unique. So that's why it became P021 and then the same project name. So I'm just holding control and then right click. So holding two projects by the use of control key and then right click and then open project. So this is what I have here. So you can able to open multiple projects together by holding control key. Now what I did was like apart from the 5 activity, I am also putting like another 5 activity. These are all the delay activities. So these 5 are the delay activities that I am going to put, and then I am going to study the project end dates, which means finish dates. So here you can able to see like activity ID 6, I am putting unforeseen site conditions, which means some kind of rainy days or some kind of delays that is like unforeseen. So this kind of delay we can able to put excusable. So we can able to give the time. So we can able to give the time and cost also sometimes. So for that I'm just going to take 5-day duration, and then the another delay of contractor delay, which means like non-excusable. Normally from the contractor part, we should not allow them to do like that. So it is like a non-excusable. So no time, no cost. So the contractor has to bear all the expenses and all the time. So out of the time means he is supposed to pay like as per the agreement. That is like non-excusable. So I am having 4-day duration for the delay. And then sometime owner delay. See, owner just delaying, so we are the owners, we can able to delay our project. So sometimes it is like excusable but non-compensable, which means like we are just going to hold the project for few days and after we are going to start it. So it is coming under excusable come non-compensable. So I'm just having 6 days duration for that. And again, owner revision. Sometimes he is going to change some plan modification or specifications. Then it is something like excusable. So which means like owner revision, it is like excusable and also compensable. So normally excusable in the sense like we can able to see like we can able to allow for both time and cost. So I'm just putting 5-day duration for it. And again another delay for a non-critical activity. So when there is a delay for non-critical activity, it won't consider as a delay at all because it is already having float. When any activity having a float, then there won't be any like delay as a whole going to affect the project end dates because it is already having float. So it is already having float, right? So that's why it is not going to consider in our excusable come non-excusable cases. So what I have in the Excel sheet, I just input here even the relationships and everything. And after we can able to see, after we supposed to schedule F9. So now we can able to see that. So original duration is 36 days. And then like as per the delays, it is like 56 days. So like there is a difference between 20 days. So 56 minus 36. So 20 working days is a excess for our whole project. So as per the normal things, without any delay, it's supposed to complete by 2nd August 6 p.m. But it is going to complete on 30th August 6 p.m. So there is a delay of 20 working days. So this is called time impact analysis. Like this, you can able to just analyze your project and then activities.